Yo, what's good? Mr. Penniston in the building. Just got done eating some Chick-fil-A. Delicious. Okay, so the weather's colder now. Fall is pretty chilly out here in Utah. Winter's around the corner. Temperature's like in the 40s right now. Sunny, but it's still cold, got a breeze, which means the Batmobile performs a lot better with colder air. As you guys know, cold air makes the air more dense. Once it gets into that intake, goes inside that engine, combustion, pow, just like that. More power, right? Anyway, so let's go have a fun drive right now. Put the car in sport mode. I'm gonna drive back to work, finishing up my lunch. I'm just have some fun in the Batmobile. Let's get it popping, get that engine on. You know what I'm saying? Put that seatbelt on because we're trying to be safe on this buh. Put a little crack in the windows so it don't get too hot. Seatbelt check, steering wheel check, stunner shades on check. Hey, 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 stunner shades. Hey, all right, let's go for a ride, y'all. I'm only doing this because, you know, just trying to get some more excitement for the day. Works a little bit slow, but we still having fun. This is a fun way to waste some gas mileage, right? A little small pickup there. Downshift action. That's the loudest my car gets. Sport mode, and I put it in manual first gear. That's the loudest I can get it to yell. Look at him purr. Oh! Got thrown back a little bit. So fun. Getting ready to go on that freeway. Look at me just burning gas. I'm already at 19 miles to the gallon. Excessive throttle response. Woo. So windy. Oh, the police. I gotta slow down. Turned off my radar detector. Out that butt. Oh yeah. Drop it down a notch. Being reckless for no reason in V6. Man, this thing pulls a little bit. It's getting too hot in the car. It's crazy how you hear all the air being sucked into the cold air intake. That's what it sounds like. I can't even imitate the sound. That was a bad impersonation. Stop sign, obey the stop signs. Up the hill we go. Oh, bouncy road, bouncy road. Just drop it down. That was fun. We are back to the grind house. That's all I wanted to do. Look, I put the windows down. Being obnoxious right now. Ooh, baby. Do it again. Oh. I don't know what sound that was. I'm tripping. Alright, y'all, thanks for riding with your boy. Just want to let y'all hear what I was working with on a fun little drive. I'm out. Peace.